How to use Lyft app as a passenger. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you quickly and easily how you can go ahead and you can just use this Lyft app as a passenger. It's a great way to go around, travel at a decent cost, and it's got a lot of great features. So this is what the interface looks like, and currently in my current location there is no Lyft available, but if you go up to the top left hand side you will see three lines. Right over here you can see your profile and all the other details. So you can go ahead, right at the top you can add a profile picture, you can change your name, and then you can view your profile. Now once you tap on view profile, you can see how many rides you've had. You can also have a star rating, and you can see how many days you've traveled. Up at the top right hand side there's a pen or pencil icon, and you can change all of your details and edit your profile there. Right over here you have your personal information such as your email, your phone, and a bunch of other stuff. You also have the business profile if you would like to set yourself up as a business profile, so you can create one of those right over here, and this is specifically for your work rides. So you would have to just have your receipts forwarded to whoever is going to be paying for them. Then you will also enter your payment information and your work email. I think this is a great feature because you may have some sort of transit fee that you are paying, and your company or the business that you're working for may pay for that or may cover that. So this is a great way of doing that quickly and easily without all the extra paperwork. Then you also have a family account that you can set up, which I think is also a great addition to just your regular sort of travel app. You can now have a free account to let your main account pay for other users which are within your family account. So you can have shared payments, you can see real-time ride details. That's great if you have kids, or if you just want to know where your family members are. That's a great safety feature that they've put in over there. And then you can get automatic receipts. That's great. All you have to do is tap on the get started at the bottom over here, and you will add your payment details, and you can create your family account right over there. I think that's awesome. You can also have a look at your rides. You can add rides, and you can edit your ride requests. You can also link some of your accounts over here. So if you've got some social media accounts, you can link them just over here. And then going all the way down to the bottom, as you progress and you use the service more, you can earn badges such as Marathon, 5-star riders, Lyftiversary, and Top Tipper. And then you can just dab on any one of these shortcuts at the bottom of the page just to jump to any one of those pages. So going back out now, you can go ahead and you can see that there are a bunch of other things that you can do here. One specific thing is a gift card. If you do have a gift card, you can redeem it right over here, or if you would like to purchase a gift card, you can do that right over here. It's great. It's all in one spot, so that's awesome. Going in now to the main part, you can tap on the try another location. What it is basically going to do is, if you would like to plan a trip or if you would like to order a Lyft, you could go ahead and start typing in your start location, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to say we're at this airport over here, and our destination, we are going somewhere else. Where are we going? Let's say we're going to the other airport, just purely for example purposes. As you can see, it's quite a distance. So the right options that you have available here are this first option can fit 4 people. There's limited availability. The next one can fit 6 people. That's also limited availability. And then you have the wait and save. That'll take a little bit longer for your Lyft to get to you, but it is quite a bit cheaper, so you can go ahead and choose that option if you'd like to. Going in now, let us choose a different location over here, and I'm going to show you that there are some additional ride options, such as the black option, which basically will be a little bit more expensive, but you get picked up in quite a luxurious car. So you can see there's a Lux over here. there's a Lux Black, and there is a few other options more than the last one. There are also wheelchair options and car seat options. I think those are pretty awesome because I think a lot of apps don't consider the needs of everybody. They just sort of consider the needs of the general population. So people that have car seats or people that are using a wheelchair, they will now also be able to use a service like this. So they're not limited to just other people without those sort of limitations. So once you sort of select the ride type that you would like, you can go ahead and just say next. The driver preferences over here I think is also great. I like airflow, so I like my windows open when I drive, and I also like some aircon. So you can go ahead and you can say cool, and let's say the driver likes to play some music for his passengers. Maybe you don't want that, you can turn that on. And let's say you have a lot of luggage. When the driver arrives at you can literally just tap on help with luggage, and when the driver receives this request, when he stops, he'll help you with your luggage. I think this is great. You can now confirm your pickup spot, and you can change it right here if you need to, and then you just go ahead and tap on confirm and request. Now this is where you would have to thereafter choose your payment method and actually make the request, and then you would have to then just wait for your ride to arrive. And that is the Lyft app in a nutshell. And that is how you can use the Lyft app as a passenger. It's very easy, and I think it's got a bunch of really, really great features, and it makes your Lyft experience and your drive experience so much more convenient because of all those extra awesome cool features. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was valuable. If you have any comments, any feedback, don't forget you can leave something down in the comment section. We will respond, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers for now.